Guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this saving me filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. Okay, to get this effect, what you can do, just go to your effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image, the first one. This is the effect. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, you can go to search and search for this, but this is a new filter, you might not find it in search. So go to your For You page and here search for saving me filter. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want.
Save yourself. So you
Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. Okay, this is very difficult, let's try it. That's it, a minute. Okay, let's keep it here. Okay, we have very less time, come on. Okay, we'll keep it here. Maybe. I'm cooked. I am cooked. Okay, try this.